Alright, so good morning y'all. Just woke up, now we're making some sweet tea for the track to fill up. We got another day ahead of us now. It's my turn to hop into the street stock. I almost said, or factory stock, I almost said late model. So, I'm going to be driving it today. I know that track's going to be slicker than crap. It was yesterday. It was black the whole way around the track, even on the straightaways. So today is going to be a lot of throttle control practice, to say the least. College Ridge, especially for the feature factory stock's first heat, so it's really grippy and tacky, or sometimes a little slick. And then we're also the first feature. So I never really have to worry about driving on a slicked over track. I don't think I actually have really driven on an all black track at all besides last year. I believe it was next week last year. I drove a late model for the first time, and it was black the whole way around. It was crazy, but that was fun. Broke the left rear shock, so that wasn't fun. But we're gonna get it rolling. We're gonna head to church first and watch the first service, and then we're gonna go pick up the car and head on out to the track, so y'all tag along. I'll see y'all later. I am 100%. We're ready to roll here at, we're in church now. So we are leaving. It was a great service by Blake. Definitely glad we came. But now we're going to hook up to the trailer first. I'm not hungry right now, but Dad really wants some wings to go. But can't park by Caden if we don't leave early. So, I mean, that's not really what I care about. I'm not that hungry right now. And the track food at Harrisburg is honestly pretty good. I really like their burgers. So that's going to be the plan.
Maybe drive through for you then.
Personally, I prefer the track food. You know, just gives you a little taste of that local racing.
I need a big old Dr. Pepper.
I guess that's what he needs. But right now, so we're heading to the track. We're gonna hook up, and I'll see y'all at Pat Balls. All right, so we're here. It's windy. It feels good though. I'm already dressed up. I went ahead and got dressed up pretty quick because who knows how quick they're gonna make this night go around. So I guess we'll see. But we haven't got the car unloaded. That's what we're working on now. We parked by the Caden Mitchell. It's her birthday today, so we still gotta unload the car, and then I think we should be good from there. Caden had hers out here all night though, and her new ride's pretty freaking sick. But we're hoping we can both get our problems figured out tonight, and let's get ready to roll. So I'm gonna go ahead and send y'all to either, I'm not sure if we're hot lapping or heat racing, but I'll send y'all to that. Went good. It felt really fast. Hoping we keep it up in the feature. And track's still pretty slick, but I think that top side is going to be the dominant side. So I'm going to get both these GoPros rolling, and y'all tag along, hold on tight. So a hectic night for sure, but I would definitely say it's a good one. It could have been a lot worse, especially there at the end. The radiator hose blew off of it. We were hoping it wasn't worse, and it wasn't, thank God for that one. It was a fun night. We were really fast, and I did make a couple driver errors that I wish I wouldn't have made, but you know, it's kind of just racing. I'm still learning. I've never drove on a slick track quite like that one, and I mean, you get on it just a split second too early and your wheels are spinning like crazy and you're going nowhere. So I definitely had to teach myself some discipline there. I think iRacing helps out a little bit with that throttle control discipline, but now we don't race until April, or at least we don't plan on racing again until April. And so now we are getting his car. We're starting to get the late model ready. But yes, the wrap is coming soon. Who's doing it?
It's undecided still.
Yeah, we're still undecided on who we're gonna let do it. It just depends if what our main guy, Rockstar Graphics, who does mine and has did ours for a while now, if he can make, you know, the logos fade into the wrap, or if he has to do like mine. You may notice it, but the Fry Metalworks is like a black box. It didn't come on the actual wrap itself. So that's kind of what we're trying to figure out with him. But thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Peace.